talk about how can you enable light mode on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessible appearance here, just click on it. You come to next step here. So then you come here to color mode, click here on light. So when you just click on light, automatically here it's going to change with you to light mode on your Bluesky app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.